Si Almadrigo nandito? Almadrigo?
Yes, ma'am.
Si Pagan?
Present po.
Sayang 10%. Anyway, to continue. Saan na ba tayo? Patag Audrey? Patag ba yan? Audrey. Okay. Can you see the slides?
Yes po.
Okay. Akala ko ako lang nakakakita. Okay, so let's go to biopsy. Renal biopsy. This is biopsy, the most confirmatory test for cancer of the kidney. When you go to onco, pag sa onco ito yun. Okay. Biopsy is kukuha ka ng konting tissue, depends kung saang parte ng katawan. But this one is kidney. Biopsy needle, ayan. Hold your breath when the kidney is about to be punctured. Bleeding time must be checked before the test, baka kasi mag-bleeding. Prone test after the test, why? Tandaan to prone test after the test. I think baradaganan mo yung kidney. Avoid palpation and manipulation on the area. Avoid strenuous activity 2 to 3 weeks after the test. Monitor complications. Okay. Flank, colicky pain, kabag, signifies clot in the ureter. Saan ba ureter? Di ba ito yung kidney? Itong ureter, di ba? Ureter. Papunta sa bladder. Tapos, ito yung urethra, yung lalabas na yung ihi. This was the Bowman's capsule, di ba? Bowman's capsule. So, itong kidney. Okay, let's go to the diuretics. Tapos na kayo nito yung diuretics, yung pampatanggal ng fluids in the body. Thiazide. Okay. These are the drugs na umaano sa kidney about fluids. Thiazides. We will talk about this when we go to cardio. You have your thiazides, you have your loop diuretics. Okay, inhibit sodium chloride and potassium resorption at the ang loop diuretic in your pharma ay potassium sparer. Potassium waster pala, waster. Yung lumalabas na ihi, sumasama ang potassium. Pero yung potassium sparer, example of this would be your spironolactone. Hindi lumalabas ang potassium. Very important kasi ang potassium sa puso eh. Kaya kailangan spironolactone, potassium sparer. When you say sparer, hindi sumasama ang potassium paglabas ng tubig pag naka-diuretics ka. You had that in your pharma. Osmotic diuretic, you have your mannitol. This came out in my board exams. Osmotic diuretic, it has an osmotic diuretic. Ibig sabihin, pampatanggal din siya ng fluids in the body, excess fluids, fluid volume excess. Especially pag sa may increased intracranial pressure ka. Usually the patient is given osmotic diuretic. Example of this would be your mannitol. Generic is osmitrol. Ibigay sa pasyente para mabawasan yung fluid sa katawan. Nakuha. But you have to monitor. Baka mag-hypovolemia naman siya. Hypovolemia. Ito Okay. So, yan. Osmotic diuretics. Let's go to dysuria, of course, is painful urination. Okay. Dito tayo. Dito tayo sa pain. Pain sa kidney problem is nasa flank. Flank is nasa likod. Flank pain or lumbar pain. Okay? Okay, let's go to incontinence. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng incontinence? When you are nurses already, sometimes you want to work PDN muna, private duty nurse. Ha? Oh, meron doon matanda. Gusto, alagaan daw. Usually, yung unang tanong mo is, continent ba siya or incontinent? Kasi when you say continent, nakakapunta pa sa banyo, nakakaihi pa by himself or herself. Pero pag sinabi niyang incontinent na siya, suspect na expect pala na change ka ng diaper sa pasyente mo dahil incontinent. Hindi na siya umaabot umiihi na lang. Hindi umaabot sa banyo. Let's go to the types of incontinence. Dali ha, choto natin. Okay natin. Types of incontinence. You have overflow incontinence. Okay? Urethral blockage, bladder unable to empty properly. Overflow incontinence. Sandali, baka meron ako. Ayan. Overflow incontinence is the involuntary release of urine due to weak bladder muscle or due to blockage. When the bladder becomes overly full, even though the person feels no urge to urinate. Overflow. Tumutulo, nagdi-dribble na lang, umiihi na lang pag puno na yung pantog, kahit walang urge. Nakuha, yan, overflow. Stress incontinence, tandaan to, lolo sa words. Okay, ito yon, stress incontinence. Happens when physical movement or activity. Yung tawa ka ng tawa tapos napapaihi ka, stress incontinence yun eh. Yung uubo ka, tapos lumabas yung ihi. Stress because you're putting stress on the bladder. Coughing, laughing, sneezing, napapaihi ka ba? Stress yun. Running or heavy lifting puts pressure or stress on your bladder, causing your bladder to leak. This is not related to psychological stress. Okay, let's go to urge. Incontinence naman. Urge. Sudden intense urge to urinate. Bigla na lang naiihi. Followed by an involuntary loss of urine. Ito, in stress incontinence kasi, na-stress yung bladder mo. Naubo ka, natapatawa ka ng sobrang lakas, na napaihi ka, or coughing or sneezing, stress yun. Pero yung urge, bigla ka lang naihi, tapos naihi ka na. Incontinent nga eh. Naihi ka na. Sudden and intense urge. Ito yung na hindi na makahintay papuntang banyo. Involuntary loss of urine. May be caused by a minor condition such as infection or more severe conditions such as neurological disorder or maybe diabetes. Okay, overflow, total incontinence. Okay, it is the continuous and total loss of urinary control. Maybe due to may problema may damage sa utak. Remember, lahat ng movement sa katawan natin is dahil nasa utak lang natin. Maybe spinal cord, utak and the spinal cord. Maybe injury to the spinal cord, kaya wala na, loss of urinary control na. Okay? Mixed incontinence, both urge and stress incontinence. And enuresis is umiihi pag natutulog. Pag natutulog. Bedwetting. That is enuresis. Okay, let's go to pneumaturia is passage of gas in the urine due to instrumentation. Maybe nagpasok ka ng instrument sa sa daanan ng ihi. Pneumo means gas, means air. Proteinuria is presence of chon, or chon is protein. Chon in the urine. Okay, remember that protein should never be in the urine. Ha? Kasi kailangan mo ang yung protein sa katawan mo eh. You have to use it. Ha? Ngayon, pag ang proteinuria, especially pag plus 3, proteinuria ka na, ay damage na yung kidneys mo. Pag sparagi na lang proteinuria plus 3, maybe about 5 years, 10 years, dialysis ka na. Yung sira na talaga yung kidneys. Ketonuria is presence of high levels of ketones. Ketone is end product of fat. Burning of fat. Glycosuria is sugar in the urine. Hematuria, of course, is blood in the urine. Pyuria is, of course, pus in the urine. Infection. Mayroon siyang infection. Fecaluria, of course, is mayroong feces sa urine. Basahin niyo na lang to kung ano. Nilagay ko lang dyan, just in case may ano kayo. Revalida. For revalida purposes. Okay, let's go to